So here we have, I don't know what my calculator brands are, TI-84 plus CE. My graphing calculator that I got in 8th grade. And here we have acrylic paints and paintbrushes too. Now we're ready for this DIY. Okay, so obviously by the title, I'm painting my graphing calculator. Don't really know if this is a DIY. I mean, I guess it kind of is, sort of. Not really, but whatever. Today I'll show you how to paint a graphing calculator, even though I'm not great at painting. All of my painting experience is literally from like middle school art class, which frankly I don't really remember at all. So I'm just gonna try whatever. Just gonna tell you right now, I'm not gonna be great, but that's okay. Moving on. Don't judge my painting skills, as most teachers would say.
I'm not grading off of your artistic ability.
So, you know, don't grade me off of my artistic abilities. So that. Yeah, okay, let's get started. What is this? Why is there just like a... Why is this just on the ground? I don't even know what this is. Oh well. So you might just be like, yo, what are you gonna paint? And what I'm gonna paint is clouds, because that's really original. Not really, not at all. Like, it's so unoriginal, I can't believe it, but that's okay. And I'm also, like, gonna toss the actual calculator part aside because, like, math, irrelevant for this. And all I'm going to use is the lid, because all I'm going to paint is this spot on the lid. So right here, as you can see, I have my little paper plates that I'm going to be putting all my paint on. And because my calculator is pink, I'm only going to paint in pink and white. But if your calculator is like green or blue or whatever, then maybe just paint in blue or green. Easy solution. So first I'm going to start by mixing different shades of pink, because yeah. So I'm going to do like a dark pink, lighter pink, okay, so now that I've laid out the paint, I'm gonna start by like blending shades of pink onto the base or whatever of the calculator before I put all of the clouds on, because that's just kind of how I want to do it, and that's what I saw in the little example, so I'm gonna follow that. Also, yes, I have finals this week and next week, and this is what I'm doing instead of doing the finals. But it's okay, because I took calculus online, so I don't really need this calculator for another, like, whenever I start college. So let's get painted. Okay, so now that the painting of the background, I guess, sky, whatever is done, now it's time to paint the clouds, which I can try, honestly. I'll attempt painting clouds. I don't know how good they're gonna look. You know, today I researched how to paint better clouds, so I got some tips, but honestly, is it really gonna help? Probably not, but that's okay. And also, I intended this to be a lot lighter pink, and it's honestly kind of red, but tragic. So let's just paint the clouds, I guess. Okay, so now it's time to add on the final touches, which is, you know, a little bit of sparkles. It's not really that much. It's just a couple of little dots and just to spice it up a little bit because we all love spice, don't we? And like the light is totally changing right now. I don't like that the sun sets at 4:30ish. That's not really my idea of fun at all. Let's add the little sparkles. Yeah! So that's my work of art. Isn't that lovely? You know what? It looks better than I thought it was. I kind of thought it would just look like a bunch of blobs. I mean, it kind of does look like a bunch of blobs up close, but like far away, it does look like clouds, I guess, you know? It's kind of fun, isn't it? I like it. It's good. It's really, really good. Anyway, if you, like me, want to procrastinate your finals, procrastinate that essay you have to write, procrastinate anything, then go paint your calculator because then it'll feel like you're doing something productive because you're doing something with your calculator instead of actually using the calculator to take a practice test, but whatever. That's not important. What's important is painting your calculator so it looks good, because if your calculator looks good, then maybe it'll perform better on your test because maybe it'll bring you good luck, who knows. I'll insert more up-close footage of it right here. So that's that, and anyway, thanks again for watching, you guys. You know, that's cool of you to do. You didn't have to do that. I appreciate you doing that, so thank you. Go do this right now, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe. Adios.